Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna count for normal years first, and then we're gonna calculate for leap years. So first of all, let's list out the leap years from 2004 to 2020, and we're not gonna count 2020. So we have 2004, we have 2008, 2012, and 2016. That's 4 years. And these 4 years will be actually a +2 each. And then we have the rest of the years. So there's 2005, 2006, 2007, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2013, 2014, 2015. You get the drill. So 2017, 2018, 2019. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 years. And those would be 1 + 1 each. So it would be 4 times 2 plus 12 times 1. So that's +20. So 20 would mean that you'd have to divide by that by 7 to see like how many how much the shift occurs in terms of the days of the week. And you get that it's what is it? 2 remainder 6. So that means if it occurred on a Sunday, you add 6 days to it, so that becomes Saturday. So February 29th, 2020 will be on a Saturday. Okay. So this question, a watch loses 2.5 minutes per day. It's set right at 1 p.m. on March 15th. Let n be a positive correction in minutes to be added to the time shown by the watch at a given time. So when the watch shows 9 a.m. on March 21st, n equals, and we will calculate this when we come back.